It is now time to put a custom loading screen on our custom zombies map. So to do that, the first thing you're going to need to do is open up a paint editor of your choice, my choice being paint.net because I love paint.net, and you're going to go ahead and design your load screen. For my load screen, I just kind of did a screenshot of my map in Steam and went ahead and put that as the background and put this beautiful little foreground text here. You could probably make a better load screen than this. This is just to show you guys how to do it. So once you have made your beautiful load screen in whatever paint editor you want to use, go ahead and go to File Save. Now we are going to need to save this as a specific file name. We are going to need to make this a JPEG file, .jpg, and we are going to name it something specific. We are going to name it Nazi Zombie, your map name, in my case YT, and we are going to do _load, and then we are going to go ahead and save it. We are now done for this portion of the tutorial, and we now have our load screen saved as a JPG. Now that you have made your beautiful load screen, we're going to go ahead and to Rad Video Tools. The description will have a download for which, and we are going to take our Nazi Zombie YT, or whatever your map name is, _load.jpg, and we're going to go ahead and bink it. Once you get it, we are going to have this beautiful little setting screen. All you're going to need to do, set the overall data rate setting to automatic based on the input file, keep the beak data rate under a multiple of the overall data rate, which is 3.0, and at the bottom here, where it says compressed level, we are going to set this to 0, which is perceptually lossy because we don't want any lossy conversion. Once you have set all those settings, just go ahead and click bink. What this will do is it will output a .bik file, which is a common file that the Call of Duty World at War and a lot of other engines use for video and images in cutscenes and other things like the loading screens in Call of Duty World at War. Once we have this, we are going to go ahead and copy this over to our World at War folder so the game can find it and our map can have a beautiful load screen. Once you have made your file into a .bik file, we are going to go back into our Call of Duty World at War main folder. We are going to go into main, which is in the root folder, and go to video, and as you can see, we have a whole bunch of bink video files here. We are just going to copy ours, which is our load screen, and we are just going to paste it in here, and that is all we have to do. And we are going to include that in the installer so that whenever other people download our maps, they will have a load screen as well. Let's go ahead and test this to make sure it works. Okay, so we are now in World at War to test to make sure that it did work, so go ahead and launch your mod from the mods folder. Once you have, we're going to go ahead and build our map. So dev map Nazi Zombie YT in my case. And look at that, our beautiful load screen is actually there, and it's nice and beautiful looking, and we are now spawned into our map. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please leave a like below, comment any questions or comments you guys may have had on the video, and subscribe if you're feeling nice and happy today. Tomorrow we will be adding custom menu buttons, and I will show you guys what I mean right now. So right here, we're going to replace solo and cooperative with our own buttons, so we don't have to go to console to launch our map, because that is boring and annoying. And when we actually play with other people, that will not look good. So we are going to replace these buttons tomorrow, as well as compile and package our map, so we can play with friends, and I will see you guys then.